Alright, man. I just got out of the train station, as you can see right there. And this is supposed to be the blizzard of 2013. This in Boston. I don't know if you can see that shit. Woo. Usually out in Boston, we're okay with snow. We know how to do this. We're supposed to be getting like 2 feet of snow. Yeah, so I just figured I'll walk with you guys. You guys can see all this fucked up snow. Yeah, so this is Malden in Massachusetts. Well, like 5 minutes out of Boston. I'm a city boy. Alright, man. So, it's February 8th or some shit. Friday. 2013. 3 o'clock. At 3:30, the buses and trains shut down. And at 4, no one can be on the road. And if you are, you get penalized. You get a motherfucking fine. So you are rocking with the best. Evil Genius 187. And that's a wrap.